सुधागड एज्युकेशन सोसायटीचे पूर्व प्राथमिक, प्राथमिक, माध्यमिक व उच्च माध्यमिक विद्यालय कळंबोली मराठी, हिंदी, इंग्रजी, उर्दू माध्यम यांच्या सौजन्याने शैक्षणिक व्हिडिओमध्ये आपलं सर्वांचं स्वागत आहे.
Hello friends, yesterday we had seen 1.4 Be Smart. So today we are going to see the remaining part of Be Smart. And we had seen yesterday 3 activities: chit chat, acrostic, and fill the, identify the verb, noun and adjective, and different career factors, and how to set a SMART goal. There are 4 points to set a SMART goal: specific, measurable, realistic and time bound. So yesterday we had seen the 2 factors of SMART goal: specific and measurable. And so today we are going to start the remaining part of this lesson. The first point is achievable. The third point from the SMART. Yesterday we had already seen 2. This third one is achievable. Achievable means what? Setting goals that can be completed in the designated period of the time. You can see here, set goals to achieve your dreams. First, you have to think what you want to be in your future, or which career you are going to choose. If you had decided, then you have to do different ways to complete this goal. So, setting goals that can be completed in the designated period of time. So children, if you had taken an admission in science field, so you have to completed your BSc. So the time limit is there for completing the degree. There are 5 years. This is 5 years degree. 11, 12, FY, BSc, second year, SYBSc, and the last is third year. So you will get the degree. So this is the time period. In that time you have to complete this goal or achieve. Not on means you have to go behind it. How I am going to achieve this my goal. Often these goals may act like stepping stone to help meet broader goals that further define a career. You had decided that I have to completed my degree. Maybe it is in engineering, medical, paramedical, any degree. So you have to give your 100%. If you will give your 100%, then only you will get a nice result, and it will be very, very important for your future also. Means it is here is a stepping stone to help meet broader goals that further define the career. And my career should be a very, very progressive career. As student, we can't become a president or prime minister, but can hope to reach those heights in future. We are the student. Children, first of all, the one thing is that in front of you, that SSC examination. So what you are going to do? You will study hard to get nice marks in exams. So if you got the nice marks in exam, you will get admission in a well-known college. After that, you are going to choose your career. So we can't become a प्रेसिडेंट आपण राष्ट्रपती होता येणार नाहीये, आपल्याला प्राईम मिनिस्टर होता येणार नाहीये, बट वी कॅन सक्सेस, वी आर गोइंग टू सक्सेड इन अवर करिअर व्हॉट एव्हर वी हॅव चूज्ड. ज्या करिअरची निवड आम्ही केलेली आहे नक्कीच त्याच्यामध्ये आम्ही पुढे जाऊ शकतो अँड रीच दोज हाइट्स इन फ्युचर. इट इज नॉट अ सिम्पल करिअर बट बियॉन्ड द हाइट्स, की एक अशा प्रकारचं करिअर असणार आहे किंवा एक प्रभावी असा सामाजिक कार्यकर्ता बनता येईल, किंवा जे काही फील्ड मी चूज केलेली आहे त्या फील्ड मध्ये मी पुढे जाऊ शकतो. आय वॉन्ट टू गिव्ह यू वन एक्झाम्पल ऑफ डॉक्टर APJ अब्दुल कलाम. APJ Abdul Kalam's dream is to become a pilot. Children, because of his height, if you had read The Wings of Fire, you are going to know that because of his height, he can't become a pilot. But his dream is that I am going to become a pilot. So, when he was in Bangalore, that time, he had decided that I want to become a pilot. So he has, आपल्याला सगळ्यांनाच माहित आहे, we know that he is a missile man and he has given he made our defense very strong. So he had decided and he has made his own helicopter according to his height. Means he has fulfilled his dream. So if we have to fulfill our dream, we have to work hard. And APJ Abdul Kalam always says that if you want to become like a sun, then you burn like a sun. If you will burn, then only you will become a sun, because you know the sun is giving a light through the world. So it is very important, children, that we should always think that whatever the career we have choose, the field we have chosen, we have to pursue it. So you can see here, this is a ladder and you have to reach the heights till here. Whatever I am doing, but I will give my 100% and I will reach till here. Set goals to achieve your dreams. Maybe the dream is any, because every child is special and he is having, and God has already given one special thing to every child. So children, we should think, what is my interest, what you likes, whatever you likes more, no children, it is your interest. So go through the interest and achieve your dreams. The next point of SMART goal is realistic. Setting realistic career goals. It should be realistic. It is important to create goals that are within one's current skill set or area of expertise. Whatever the skills you have, realistic means वास्तववादी, की खरंच हे होणार आहे, हे माझ्यामध्ये आय एम हॅव्हिंग डिफरंट टाइप्स ऑफ स्किल्स, माझ्यामध्ये हे कौशल्य आहे and I am having different skill, and because of all these skills I am going to complete my goal or skill set of areas. Some children are very good in drawing, children, so that's why they are getting nice grade in elementary and intermediate, or they are becoming architecture or becoming civil engineers, because they have the depth of it. And we have to, building expertise take time, and you have to give time. Whatever you have chosen the field, you have to study from your bottom of heart. ज्याला आपण म्हणतो की मनापासून अभ्यास केला पाहिजे, त्याच्यामध्ये प्रावीण्य मिळवलं पाहिजे. And time is very important. For example, if you want to go for any degree. So maybe the period of 3 years, 4 years or 5 years. So this is the time. And I have to give my 100% so I can get the excellent result of it. So setting realistic goal, career goals, and that is your career goals. So expecting to become an expert in a short amount of time is unrealistic. If you had thought that, arey, no problem, I will not use so much time, I will only study 2 or 3 hours and it should be finished very fast. What do you think, children? It is not a realistic goal. अवास्तववादी काय असेल, ध्येय असेल ते. You see that the children, those who are sitting for MPSC, UPSC and becoming class 1 officers. So, they are having the realistic goal. They are persuading, they are going behind that goal that I want to become that. Or you can see the scientists also, they are not doing these experiments in a short time. They are doing again and again to get the nice result of it. So, it is short amount of time is unrealistic. कमी वेळेमध्ये केलेलं काम हे आपलं अनरिअलिस्टिक गोल होऊ शकतं, अवास्तववादी ध्येय होऊ शकतं. Being realistic will make it easy to be successful at attaining goals. But realistic goal, वास्तववादी ध्येय जर तुमचं असेल, if you are giving your 100% to it, so it will be very, very excellent, I can say, the goal, and you are successful in your goal. If defensive and not aggressive, the goals perhaps lacks realism. Defensive, बचावात्मक, सुरक्षात्मक अशा प्रकारचे असणारे अँड अग्रेसिव्ह, धडाडी नसणारे जे ध्येय आहे ते खरंच रिअल असतात का? वास्तववादी असतात का? खरे असतात का? नाही. The goal perhaps lacks realism. We must have the clear picture in mind and must have the ability to adapt to that picture. So, आपण आपल्या मनामध्ये त्याचे चित्र स्पष्ट आपल्या डोक्यामध्ये असले पाहिजे की yes, I have to do, it is in my mind. That picture should be clear in your mind and must have the ability, and I am having the different abilities in me. माझ्यामध्ये ह्या क्षमता आहे, मी नक्कीच I am going to fulfill my goal. अतिशय चांगल्या पद्धतीने मी माझं गोल काय करणार आहे, माझं ध्येय प्राप्त करणार आहे, and I am going to success in my future life also. So here you can see, children, wishful thinking. Whatever I am doing, it is my interest in it. Through interest, I am achieving my goal, and this is realistic idea I am using for it. I am not doing for this time pass or wasting of time, but I am doing all these things. This is a realistic idea I am using and making my goal realistic. The fourth point for the SMART goal is time bound. Time bound, we can say, children, another word for time bound is duration. We can say in Marathi कालावधी. त्याच्यासाठी एक time bound आहे, कालावधी आहे. बघा, if we had thought that we have to sit in the same class, the government has decided that you can sit in 9th standard for 3 years. So it is possible, children? No. So it is a time bound. You are only 1 year for in one standard. maybe you are failed, so you are going to sit another year also, but it is a time bound. Or for example, any degree you can see, 5-year degree, 3 years degree. So it is a time bound, it is a time limit. We have to finish, or different exams, competitive exams, MSc-IT exams, they are having the time limits. So we have to finish in time limits. Establish time parameter around each goal, and it will help increase focus and accountability. पॅरामीटर, त्याला एक मापदंड आहे, एक टाइम लिमिट आहे, मर्यादा आहे. वी हॅव टू कंप्लीट इन दॅट पिरियड. इट विल बी हेल्प टू इनक्रीज वाढवणे. सो चिल्ड्रन, व्हॉट इज द अपोजिट वर्ड फॉर increase? Keep it in mind, or you can write it is decrease, kami karne. And focus and accountability. So we have to focus what we are doing. You should keep it in your mind that I have to finish in this period, in this time, in this limit. To reduce weight, we know how to go about it. Now you can see the picture, the girl is doing exercise. Why we are doing exercise? For fitness, or to become healthy. Or you can see one person, he is only doing 1 day exercise. What will happen? The person is going to become flabby and fat. But he is doing every day, he is practicing every day, he is exercising. So what is going to happen? He is going to lose his weight. We know how to go about it, but without consistent time bound action, it never becomes a reality. Consistency, सातत्य, or practice. We have to do again and again, children, and action. कृती केली पाहिजे, and think that is very important, is time bound. That is very important. याला कालमर्यादा आहे, ड्युरेशन आहे, and I have to finish in that period only. So I have to, maybe you are the student, or you have choose a career, you are going through the career. So you have to give your 100% of thinking about a time bond. It is a very, very important factor of SMART. It never becomes a reality. It may be exercise, diet, and stress-free thoughts. Maybe it is an example of exercise. If you are not doing exercise every day, you will not lose your weight, or you are not going to be fit and healthy. Diet, 3 times we are eating, we are having a breakfast, lunch, and dinner. But in the whole day you are eating again and again. So what is the problem then? What causes you are going to face? Stress-free thought. Don't take any tension. Relax, you can think, sit and do your study. Whatever you have, you can go through it. Give your 100% and think about the time bond. It is very, very important. All these have to be practiced and implemented without hesitation, doubt, or indifference, but within a deadline. डेडलाईन, एक आपल्याला डेडलाईन दिलेली असते बघा. डेडलाईन म्हणजे काय, की एवढ्या मुदतीमध्ये हे झालं पाहिजे. Project असतात, the children are having different types of projects. The teacher is giving the time, I want for next week. So this is the deadline. So I have to complete in deadline, and you have to do the practice. Means you have to do again and again that topic about your related to your study and implemented without resistance. Implement, you had seen that it is right or wrong. I had practiced, but I want more progress. Doubt, shanka, and indifferences. Indifference, द्विधा मनस्थिती जी आहे याच्यामध्ये द्विधा मनस्थितीमध्ये आणायचं नाही, बट यू कॅन टेक अ प्रॉपर डिसिजन but within a deadline. And no, today I'm not going to do, tomorrow I will finish in 5 days my study. No, children. So the deadline is given to you, do your work in time and finish in your deadline. That is very important. So we had seen 4 smart factors of SMART goal. First is specific, second is measurable, third is achievable, and fourth is time bound. These are very, very important factors of a person to choose a career or to set a SMART goal. Visions, wishes, intentions and dream are all valuable. Children, if we want to success in your life, these words are very, very important in our life. Visions, ज्याला आपण म्हणतो दूरदृष्टी. विशेष, your interests. Intention, what you have to do, and your dreams. Whatever dreams you have seen, I have to overcome about it. APJ Abdul Kalam always says that small dream is a crime. कि छोटे गुन्हा एक छोटे स्वप्न हे काय आहे एक गुन्हा आहे. Why? Because he is saying you can see a big dream, children. So maybe you had seen a very big dream and you are going to fulfill your wish. But if you had seen a very small dream, yes, I will complete, I will go through it. So he is saying, always saying that you always see the big dream. So at least maybe the smaller one will complete. Dreams are also valuable. They are having a different importance in life, children. If you are having interest and you had taken admission through your interest, really you are going to success in your life 100%. But you have to give your 100% in that study. They spark of imagination and encourage us to define where we want to reach. And these all things, visions, wishes, intention and dreams are valuable. They spark us, spark of imagination and encourage us. They are encouraging us where we want to reach, means we are going to success in our goal or in our future. In order to get there, however, we need to bring life images down to the earth and plan to execute our strategies. For that, what we have to do? We have to do the planning. Planning is very important. Through the planning, only you are doing the planning, but that plan we should use it into action. इमॅजिनेशन इन्करेजेस, आपली कल्पना शक्ती जी आहे तिथपर्यंत आपण पोहोचू शकतो. अँड वी आर गोइंग डिफरंट plan and that plan we are bringing into action. त्यानुसार आपण धोरणे ठरवली पाहिजे आणि आपण वापरलेल्या ऊर्जा and the quality and the quantity of energy we put forth directly impact the result. Whatever the hard work we had taken to fulfill our goal, it impact the result. जी मेहनत तुम्ही केलेली असेल, तुमची दूरदृष्टी, इच्छा, इंटेन्शन, तुमचे स्वप्न याला पुढे नेण्यासाठी जो काय खटाटोप तुम्ही केलेला आहे, जी काय ऊर्जा तुम्ही वापरलेली आहे, त्याचा रिझल्ट, त्याचा इम्पॅक्ट, त्याचा प्रभाव आपल्याला when you are getting a nice result we can see children here, हे आपल्याला दिसू शकतो. लाईफ इज समथिंग लाईक अ ट्रम्पेट. ट्रम्पेट, तुतारी. जीवन हे काय आहे? एका तुतारी सारखं आहे. If we don't put anything in it, we can't get anything out. For example, you had selected one field or a career. Only you had taken admission in it and you are doing nothing. So you will not get any output of it. But you had created lots of interest in you, and through the interest you are studying, keeping all these things in front of your eyes. So really you are going to get a nice result. So this is the example that life is something like a trumpet. If we don't put anything in it, जर आपण तुतारी आहे आपल्याकडे वाजवण्यासाठी प्रयत्न जर केला नाही तर आवाज येईल का? नाही. So the life is like the same way, we have to do something. So here we have to do to achieve our goals, for taking all these things, and we are going to success in our goal. So these are very important factors of a smart goal. So the next point is success. So we had seen these all 4 points, and now how we are going to get success in our goal. So success is also very important, that 4 factors are depending upon each factor. So success is a walk in the dark. What you can say, success is a walk. सक्सेस म्हणजे काय? यश हे अंधारामध्ये चालण्यासारखे आहे. अंधारातून केलेली एक वाटचाल आहे. फाइंडिंग द राइट फुटिंग प्रिसाइजली, मास्टरिंग द स्किल अँड गेटिंग द नेक्स्ट प्लेस. फाइंडिंग द राइट वे, योग्य मार्ग निवडणे. फक्त निवडून चालणार आहे का? वी शुड चूज अ राइट वे and use your mastering the skills. Whatever the skills you are having in it, you can use it and getting to the next place. And don't think it that this is my destination. No, you can go through it. Now I want to give you the examples of the new generation, that children, they are having they are getting job. They are starting a job in one firm or a company. They are getting the experience and they are getting nice salary. But their friends are telling, "Arey, you are doing this job in a very less salary. You can do this course, and that company is giving you lots of amount salary." So what they are doing? They are applying for the another job. What they are saying? "Arey, this is not my destination. I have to go forward. मला पुढे गेलं पाहिजे." All depends on how we approach and tackle the problems. How you are going to tackle, how you are going to solve the problem, and how I am going to reach to my best destination. The best way to get from where we are to where we want to be is to find the footing of our next step. Step by step, how I am going to success. Now you can see, I am here, but I want to go, I want to reach till the success. how I am going to come here. So just now I gave you the example. When we take the next step, it should support and hold us without a crack. But whatever the decision you are taking, take the decision very correctly. That decision should be correct. If I am leaving this company but I am joining to another company, how is the company and how the company is going to give me a salary or not? So you can think it, support and hold us without a crack. I should not get any damage or any problem of it. So it is my duty. Whenever I take the action, it should be in an accurate way. Understood? So children, this Be Smart, we had taken this lesson. I think so. All of you understood this lesson. And now, open your book on page number 24, English workshop. Complete the following web with the words associated with the text and the given title. Components of success. How we are going to get the success. So this is your homework. You can read, go through the lesson very carefully. You will get all the answers from the textbook and do the English workshop as an assignment. Thank you.